How to add a watermark on Capcut. In this video, I will show you how to add a watermark on Capcut. The first step is to open the Capcut mobile application just like I have done here. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app. Next, you have to create a new project and a video for the project. That is easy, and you can follow the steps I am showing you in case you don't know how to do that. After that, the video will be added to the timeline. You can change the video aspect ratio to fit the dimensions you need. To do this, scroll through the bottom menu and look for an option named Aspect Ratio. After that, you will get these different aspect ratios. Go ahead and choose the right aspect ratio for your video. After choosing the aspect ratio, we will proceed to the next step. Once again, scroll through the bottom menu, look for the text option. It is here below. Tap on it. You can add text in two different ways. You can do it either using a text template, or you can add it by tapping here and adding normal text. I will do that. So go ahead and type the text just like I'm doing here. Next, choose the text font type. You can do this by tapping here, and after that choose the font style you need. Once you are satisfied with the font type, it is time to choose the font style. To do that, tap here. You can begin by changing the color of the text by choosing a color using these color swatches here. So go ahead and do that. After that, change the font size. You can do this by tapping on this size slider bar. You can pull it to either size to increase or decrease the size of the font. Finally, to avoid the text distracting the viewers, you have to reduce the opacity of the video. So decrease it. Finally, pull the text to somewhere outside the video. How to add a watermark on Capcut.